Good morning. It's yard sale Saturday, and I'm out in Riverside, California, heading up to visit my mom. And I found a community yard sale, found a community yard sale that is in an old neighborhood that I'm familiar with because one of my best friends from high school's mom owns a house there, and they're always participating in these community yard sales. So I kind of called her, or I texted her and said, "Hey, you guys having a yard sale tomorrow?" And she's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "I'm gonna come by." 2 hours away, but I'm coming by. Not quite 2 hours away. So I'm gonna see if I can hit a couple before I get to theirs, or I might just go straight to their yard sale. And let's see if they have any treasures. I'm gonna block your driveway because I can. Sheila.
How are you? It's good to see you.
You too. Hey.
Yummy didn't come with you?
No, it's just migraine anyway, so I'm like, eh.
Tell her to take her Imatrix or whatever she takes.
I know, she did take her mask off.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna hit everyone. This is a
Might
lot
as well.
bigger participation than when we tried to do it.
Oh my god.
Back
yeah.
in the day.
And it's
Oh my
been
God.
nuts. And there's Hunter right there.
Oh,
He's sniffing the big
big
puppy.
douche.
That's Buddy, the big dog.
Yeah, I saw Chris, and I'm like, okay, I got the right house.
Yeah. It's just like, oh my god.
I'm surprised.
Jams and stuff.
It's crazy out there. I was like, eh. And then me flipping around here, I'm like, oh wait, I can park right in front of a driveway. Doesn't matter, they're not going anywhere.
No. Wherever you can find a spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you got? What are you looking for specifically?
Anything. I look for stuff that's cool to collect, and I also look for stuff to flip.
There are some DVDs. I don't know.
Some of it. Media's iffy.
Yeah.
Like the older the better. But
Oh yeah.
and then I record and put it up on YouTube. Me shopping.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, you got your.
Yeah, you really can't see what's going on, but I believe it's recording. So, but I can always edit. I edit like crazy.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
Let me
what
out
you
of there.
got? Aw,
No.
but still,
Thank you so
wow,
much.
wow.
25 cents.
Oh, you got the neighbors too. I didn't even see this one. Like, wow. Wow, it's like 4 or 5 on this block alone. There we go.
50 cents each.
G2 way.
Is it 50 cents?
That's cool.
That's a
I got games.
How much is the dusting?
Caps.
¿Qué más quieren? ¿Para dónde? ¿Para su casa o para dónde?
These look like homemade almost. Huh. Are they homemade?
No, wait. Yeah.
Okay, I'm like, they look like it. That's really neat looking. Wow.
These are 50
Oh, for us. So $4 for $1, okay. Let's see.
They're all upstairs.
Let me run over there and come back since I can talk to sheep. So far nothing, but then again I'm quite late in the day. Color waters. Some Pokemon stuff. Exits. Thanks. I don't have any of this set though. $2019. I wonder how much. How much for the action figure?
Like
That's cute.
$3.
Okay. That's cool. Yeah, I would think about that.
Too.
Yeah, it's neat. See the red stormtrooper. Nah, that's okay. Yeah.
Take it. It's almost free. What do you like? The little baskets or
No, I was looking at the stormtrooper thingy.
the Star Wars?
Yeah,
Oh wow, that was cheap. No.
yeah, but nah, it's
Hey,
okay.
it's $3. That's fine. You want to take it?
Nah, that's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, your GoPro on?
Yeah, I like to record myself shopping, and people like to watch me shopping, which is interesting. And they always tell me what I miss. They go, "Why didn't you take this?" Looks cool. Let's see. Actually, those are bulbs. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's getting warm now.
Ain't it?
It's crazy.
I'm ready for this.
I haven't
Yeah.
just started today, but oh my gosh! Look at. I should just go around and video the decorations. Oh yeah. That's crazy. That person gets. My brother gets crazy like that too.
Oh yeah, we're here.
Wow.
Go up there and put all his fireworks.
Ugh. He's got to be young because there's no way I could do that. I think I have one more. All right. All right. Well, good luck, you guys. Thanks. What kind of
Find
books?
anything?
Well, I found one thing. It was a Star Wars, like little action figure.
Oh.
But they wanted, well, it's one of the larger ones, but they wanted $3, and I'm like, in a yard sale? I'm like, I would have done it for $1. But I'm like, no.
Yeah, like that.
No, I'm like, no thanks.
Be careful, it's glass.
Uh-oh. Let me look behind you
careful.
again.
Yeah, be careful, it's glass.
A tiny bit.
What is this?
Sometimes I make clouds, sometimes I don't.
Oh, it was a candle once upon a time. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's so funny. I find some really cool things, and I'm like, oh, this is cool. I pick it up, and it's Avon. And Avon does not sell. For the life of me, I cannot get Avon to sell. So I give up.
That's for racquetball. Yes.
What's that? Oh, it's a compact. All right, what's that? What's that? What's that?
Hey Michelle, do you want anything? Just like.
This is from 1987? Is this yours?
No, it's actually my brother's.
Yes, that was staged. We're not actors. She said I could take it, but I'm gonna give her at least $0.25 for it.
You've been such a nice customer.
Oh, stop. They're homemade ones. They're big ones. Those ladies bought. They're smaller ones, but I'm like, I should have bought the big ones when I saw them. Yeah.
What were they though?
They're not glass. They're probably plastic, but they're like clear balls that they had painted on. And it's really, and they put the little holder thing on top for the Christmas tree. It's really neat. They still have some, but they don't have the big ones. I'm like, those are the ones I liked. I'm like, fine.
You should have.
I should look at your other books too. See what you're doing. Successful gardening. How old is this?
I don't know, and I think it was my dad's.
Really? Okay, that means it's old.
Well, it's not that old.
Oh.
I mean, I'm sure. Is there copyright in this thing?
Not in the first few pages. Usually there is.
Yeah, it might be in the back. I don't know.
But maybe. You know what? It's in Roman numeral.
Oh, you can't read it?
MCMLXXX 88. I think it's from 88. I can't read it very well. Let's just say that.
I was going to say I'll give it a go.
Where do you get this?
I have no idea. You can have it.
No, I want to buy it from you.
Take it.
Don't take it off at all.
Let's see what else. Since I've.
Sometimes I have to put it back, and those things are heavy.
Yeah, that's true. But still, I wonder. I don't have good luck with. But Mustangs might do well. Let's do that. I see another Mustang.
Yeah, that was Matt's too. Well,
Why?
he still has them.
Yeah.
No, he actually doesn't have Mustang anymore. He sold his recently.
He was a muscle car fanatic. All right, I'm gonna make a pile. I'm gonna look at your other books.
Oh, feel free.
Since that's what I'm having luck with, me make a pile behind there. So.
Yeah.
Or I could just hand it to you. How about that? This is the second go round. I'm actually finding stuff in the second go round. Oh,
I got a bigger box. If you need.
it's heavy, so be warned.
I wasn't prepared. I know you told me, but it's so early for me. Sorry.
Glunk, glunk.
I know, right?
Glunk, 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 glunk. That's pretty. That's cute. Did you make it?
It's not homemade.
It is not homemade.
Yeah.
Let's see.
No, that
Oh, don't even do this.
I'm going to give you the look.
Oh,
Because how about a couple of bucks? Will I cover it, or do you want more? Sheila, seriously, it's fine. It's fine.
just one.
How about here? Wow. How about 25? That's my compromise.
I'm glad you stopped by, though. You know, I was just thinking yesterday when I was setting up, you know, no, just take the box.
Nah, you might need it for someone else. That's cool.